Hi guys, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So in this video, I will explain how you can earn the regular income. So every day you can earn the money just by small margins. So without any risk. So in this video, I will discuss how you can invest and how you can earn the money, and also I will show my like a transaction so which I haven't done so in my demo account also. So friends, before going to the video, still if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all friends, in order to do the trading, so you need to have an Vajirex account. So I will give link in the description and I will give the referral code also. So you can just sign up through it and you can just enter my referral code so that you will be getting the 50% discount on your transaction, so day transaction. So now as you can see here, so this is an Vajirex app, so where you can see the all types of cryptocurrency which are available in the INR section. So you can see the all the like currencies list. So here friends, in the cryptocurrencies you will be having the volatile completely, so where you can see over here. So for example, let us see one coin. So for example, let us take it as so EZ coin. So EZ coins friends, so yesterday it has been touched for the 710 rupees. So now it is on 325. It means that more than 200% growth. So basically, so in the cryptocurrency we don't have any margins. So in the stock market we will be having the 5%, 10%, 20% like that margin. So in the cryptocurrencies we won't have any margin. So the currency may increase or decrease at price. So here I will show you how you can get the regular income and without the risk. So let us open the tap on the USDT. So as you can see here, so just tap on it. So as you can see here friends, so USDT, basically USDT is a so stable coin, so where you can see the maximum fluctuation is 2 to 4 rupees. So you can keep it as 2 rupees as your margin so on your day trade. So I will keep in 2 rupees as a my like margin. So if I get the 2 rupees of profit, so I will sell and I will do that get the profit. So you can see that. So I will show it more. So as you can see here, so August month and also the like June, July month also transaction you can see here. So the maximum fluctuation will be from the 73 rupees to 77 rupees or 78 maximum. Every day you can see the trading here. So you can see the fluctuation 2 rupees, minimum 2 rupees you will be getting the fluctuation over here. So here you will be getting the 2 rupees. So for example, let us see first of all, so let us see how we can like buy the coin. So how much profit we will be getting. So I will click on buy. So as you can see here, so just I will click on buy and I will enter it as 73 rupees. So 73 rupees and my investment is 10,000 rupees. So for example, I am saying, so if I invest for 70 at the price of 73, so if I invest the 10,000 rupees, so I will be getting the 136.98 USDT coins. So at the price of 73 I am buying and I will get the 136 rupees. So it means that 137 rupees 137 coins I will get. So just I will click on sale. So and as you can see here, my selling price is 75 rupees. So I kept for 2 rupees margin, so I will be getting the 2 rupees margin. So my profit is 273 rupees. So here there will be some trading charges also. So you can get the 50% discount by my link. So you can sign up and you can get it. So as you can see here, for 10,000 rupees I got an 273 rupees of profit. So I will show my transaction also. So I will go to the history, so USDT history, and you can see here friends, I haven't done the so many transaction for it. So I will scroll down. So as you can see here, I have invested for the 13,481 rupees. So at the price of 73 I got $184. So you can see here on August 8 I have been purchased the coins for 73 rupees with the I got a 184 coins. So I will scroll, so I will cancel the. So here as you can see here, you can see here at the price of 75 I sold my coins and I got the 13,850 rupees. So here I purchased for 13,500 rupees. So here I got the 300 rupees profit, friends. You can see the 300 rupees on the same day I have been purchased, and the same day I sold the coins over here. And also I haven't done the another transaction also. So in the top you can see the first transaction. So you can see, so at the 74 I haven't purchased the coins, and still I not yet sold the coins. So again I kept an order for the 74. So and also today I have been kept the for the now, like at the 74 I have purchased the coins, and it is on 70. Present trading is going on for the like 75 rupees. So I can sell the coin, so I can keep the 100%. And as you can see here, I will be getting the, so 100% means like present the trade price is 10 rupees. So I got an 1 rupee margin. So you can see 110 rupees is my profit. So I will keep it for like 76 rupees like that. So you can just come back and click on chart, and you can see the maximum fluctuation. So maximum high, all time high on this day. So you can see the all time high and all time low. So based on that you can invest, so at that time. So in the next video I will explain about the signals where you will be getting. So you can see here, so if I sell for the 76 rupees, so here 200 rupees I will be getting the margin over here. So like that, friends. So many people invest huge money so in this. So if one person is invested like let us think that, so at the 74 price, if the person is investing for the 1 lakh rupee, so something like that, if they invest, so they will be getting the like 1000 to 2000 rupees every day. So if you are investing the 5000 like that, you can earn the 100 rupees every day on this, friends. And if you are investing more, you can get the more also. So you can see the fluctuation, market fluctuation. So according to that you can invest, and you can sell the coins, and you can do the trading on it. So and in the upcoming video, so I will explain about the signals where you will be getting in this WazirX. So in order to get the discount, so just download the app and apply my refer code to get the 50% discount on your trading. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do share this video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubts, comment down below. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.